Does my makeup look alright? Hi guys, welcome back. It's Danny. Yeah, end of Halloween week. Look number 5. Here it is, Zombie Cheerleader. Yeah, the poor girl has had a bit of a disaster with her smoky eye, hasn't she? I mean, that smoky eye and red lip combo is just not working for her. What can I say? You know what though? She's got a uniform, she's got jazzy pom-poms, and yeah, who knows? Like a goth look, smudged red lip with a super duper smoky eye might be on trend next year. She might just be winning at life at the minute, you never know. Right, definitely need to drag a brush through her hair though. Yeah. Alright, so if you want to watch how I created this, here it is. Look number 5, Zombie Cheerleader. Woo! It is Halloween week with me, Danny. Welcome back, guys, and it is the final look. It is look number 5 that I'm doing for you right now. Thanks so much for your support this week. I'm really excited that you guys have liked the videos. It's been so much fun to do, and finally got a year of Halloween week where I've managed to get them all up at the same time in 1 week because I actually have some time now. Going to uni has been brilliant. It's been amazing to do it this week, and I'm just so happy that I've managed a whole week of looks. I still maybe have a few more surprises for you next week, the actual week of Halloween, so we'll see how much time I get. But I'm really happy that you liked them. So, look number 5. Today, look number 5, I'm doing a zombie cheerleader look. It's something I wanted to try for a while. I haven't done a zombie in a while, so let me just have a little look at my inspiration here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm hoping this will be fairly quick and easy to do, maybe not quite as quick, but again, it's a case of a costume and most of the makeup that we've used this week anyway, so most of it you have in your makeup bag. So, let's get cracking. Very last look, look number 5 for Halloween week, Zombie Cheerleader. Here we go. There we go, guys. Look number 5 done. Zombie cheerleader. Quite like the outfit. What I love most about this look is that you get to be ridiculously messy and it's fine. It's not a screw up. You can smudge your eyeliner, you can smudge your lipstick, it's great. Right, I have to hurry and get this finished because I've just realised also if you're, top tip, if you're using fake blood, it stains. Caught red-handed or what? So yeah, I need to go and get this off my face before it's still there for uni tomorrow. Right, so what have I used? Okay, so I used a bit of a normal foundation with Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation in Rose Ivory. Then I popped on some Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer in 1C Light Cool. Stay Don't Stray Eye Primer by Benefit on my lids. Then I followed with the Revolution SFX White Base makeup. Next, on my lips, I have used MAC. Gosh, that's an oldie. Mineralized Gloss in Wake Up. I've used it under the eyes and in the middle of the lip. You might have spotted a newbie here. Bobbi Brown Christmas is out now. It's the Bobbi Brown Luxe Jewel Lipstick and oh my goodness, ruby slipper, and it is... Where's it gone? Oh, I've lost my ruby slippers. Oh God, I need to find that. Oh, it's here. Oh, okay. I need to clean that. Look at that sparkle. Oh my goodness, you have to see it up close to believe it, but look at that. Ruby slippers, and it is beautiful on. So I've got a bit of that on and then the gloss on top. On my eyes, I've used Bobbi Brown's Caviar, which is the black from the Caviar and Rubies palette from a few years ago. I have also used the MUA black lipstick, which is in Raven from Makeup Academy. I've used a Rimmel eyeliner and Steeler's XXX mascara, Magnum mascara. And I think that is about it really. And then I've just added in some fake blood. I think it works. So I've used the Bobbi lipstick underneath my brows as well, just to give a bit of shimmer to the poor girl. Added in a bit of an old messy pony wig, bit of a costume, and that's it. And the best thing about going to a party like this is you don't have to keep worrying about checking your makeup. Is my makeup okay? Because no, it's not okay, but that's the whole point. This is great, this is genius. But do remember to take the fake blood off. I'm gonna run up to the shower now. Guys, that is Halloween week finished for another year. Whew. Unless you're very, very lucky and I have enough time to squeeze in a couple more next week around Halloween. There is a couple of props that haven't turned up yet. If they do, I will film them and stick them up for you. If you're going to a Halloween party, have a wonderful time. If you're taking the kids trick-or-treating, have a great time. If you're just staying at home and eating all your sweets yourself, then enjoy. Have a wonderful Halloween, guys. Thank you so much for watching and coming back every time. It means the world. And hello to my new subscribers. I'm almost at 100. Can't believe that people are still wanting to step in and watch a little bit of my crazy little life. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means the world. I love doing this. This is my little release from life, and it's just me and my crazy little life the rest of the time. So you're more than welcome on my journey, and thanks so much for watching. If you like the videos, do give it a thumbs up. It does mean the world. And if you want to subscribe, hit the little subscribe bell. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Daniela_Logan_makeup. I'll put a little bit at the end. And lastly, I just want to say a big thank you to Christina at Local Girl Media. She's got an Etsy shop. She's been doing my intros recently and I'm so impressed. They're amazing, and I think I've got a really good one coming up for Vlogmas. So Christina, thank you so much. If you guys want a YouTube intro or a logo or something like that, head on over to her Etsy shop or her Instagram, Local Girl Media, and I'm sure she can hook you up and do that for you. She's amazing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. That is it from me for this year. What have we got coming up? Probably go back to doing some uni vlogs. Definitely going to try and squeeze in an autumn makeup. And then you know what happens next. It's Vlogmas! Give me a D, give me an A, give me an N, give me an I. D-A-N-I. Danny! I always wanted to be a cheerleader. This is probably about as close as I'll get. I've got a few cheerleader friends, you know. Some are really, really good as well. Hi, Lizzie. It's definitely something I wanted to do. And when I joined uni, I did think, shall I join the cheerleading squad? And it looked really, really cool. So if you're a University of Winchester cheerleader, love to you. I don't think you're ready for this jelly yet. Yeah. And my brother played American football, so I know quite a few cheerleaders. Always wanted to do it, and when I joined uni, I did think, shall I join the cheerleading squad? And then I thought, better not, better focus on the studies. And can you imagine me being tossed in the air? That's not a pretty sight. So maybe when I lose a couple of pounds, I will think about it next year. Right, guys, from this zombie cheerleader, oh, my neck is seriously clicking these days. Right, guys, from this zombie cheerleader, I've got to go and cook some tea. I've got to revise what we've got on the menu tonight. Oh, European history. Yay. The Reformation. Woo. Right, I've got to go and revise. Got work to do to get in for Friday. Oh, no, it's my day off tomorrow. I still better revise. I've got my flu jab tomorrow and my MMR. All the joys of uni life. I've got to go and revise, and I've got to cook Mike some tea. So I need to pack my makeup up, because if I could show you this space at the minute, it is a mess. But that's it. That's Halloween week over. And you know what comes next, guys? Vlogmas. Yes. Right, you lovely lot. I love you loads. Thank you so much for watching. Halloween week over and out. Peace. See you later.